your girl, I rock for life, West Coast. Today I'm gonna be doing something I've never done before. I'm going to wax. Oh my gosh, I am super freaking scared. I'm going to be waxing my armpits, and not just any old waxing. I'm going to be sugar waxing. So you guys, I made a DIY wax at home. Y'all, am I scared? Am I scared? I am very terrified. I'm very scared, you guys, and I'm just like, I'm not ready for this, okay? The only thing I ever had waxed in my life is my eyebrows, okay? And even that hurts. They always tell you, like, no, it don't hurt. Yo, waxing your eyebrows for the first time hurts like heck, okay? Don't not let anybody lie to you. So, I don't even know. I'm not even ready for how it's going to feel when I wax my armpits. Yo, and you guys, I'm telling you, I got so much freaking hair. I got more hair under my armpits than I do on my head. I'm just like, why? Like, edges gone. Armpit hair just thriving. Armpit hair is thriving strong, okay? I oil my scalp. I deep condition my hair. I do these hair masks. I do it all, okay? Black castor oil and everything. And edges still just struggling.
He needs some milk.
Edges is struggling. My edges be struggling, but my armpit hair, I don't do nothing to it. You guys, thriving, big bushy, okay? When I tell you, my armpit hair has more hair than I have around my edges. I'm like, but no, for real though, why is that? You shave it off, it will come back. You wax it, it will come back. But the hair on your head, you gotta do you know how long my wash day take? Do you know, if you have not seen my videos, my wash day takes forever, okay? I made this freaking sugar wax right here. Oh, I'm over here trying Why do they do that? I'm freaking terrified. Are you guys scared for me? Please, somebody like the video. Like the video. I haven't probably shaved. I haven't shaved my under armpits in about 2 to 3 months. I'm not big on shaving body hair in general. I hardly shave, and now all of a sudden I'm a wax. Somebody tell me I ain't crazy. Somebody please be nice and tell me I ain't crazy. Can I back out? Can I just say no? Can I? Or no? I'm gonna give you guys a visual. My armpit hair is like Wild West big. It's like the jungle big. It's giving me Bigfoot vibes. You could get lost under here. I could braid it. Like, I'm telling you, I don't even know how it's not sticking out. Like, that's how long my armpit hair is. Like, I'm telling y'all. And the only reason why I'm shaving is because it's bikini season, hot girl summer. I want to be taking some cute pictures on Instagram. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I'm telling you, I'm taking some cute pictures. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I rock for life. Why does my necklace... Why so many necklace? Why my necklace always do that? So, you guys, your girl is back. Okay, I went ahead and I changed my shirt. I only had the outfit on that I had on earlier because I didn't want to scare none of y'all, okay? I wanted to prepare y'all. So now that y'all watched the video all the way to this point, you guys are prepared. You know the dangers that lie ahead. Is y'all ready, though? Is y'all ready, though? We're gonna go one at a time. I'm gonna lay it on y'all easy. We're gonna go one at a time. Okay, y'all ready? 2 to 3 months. Boom. Boom. Y'all see all that? Y'all see? Oh, let me get close. Y'all see all that? Y'all see all that? I'm low-key. I'm low-key musty too. Is this cute? Am I cute still? Could y'all picture me bikini on like this? Like, nah, you can't. Me neither. I didn't shave my armpits for 7 freaking months, okay? Make sure you guys go check out that video, yo. And for some reason, in my opinion, this is more. And this is like 2 to 3 months. Ready? Boom. Woo, woo, woo. Yes, this is what it is. This is what it is. This is what we got right here. This is what we're working with. I am so freaking terrified. At the end of the day, this is how I look at it. I sit back and I'm thinking like I'm scared. Your girl's scared. But at the same time, I had 2 kids out of my woo-ha. So, childbirth or waxing your armpits? Which one do you think you hurt more? I survived the 2 times I had my kids, so I'm pretty sure that waxing my armpits ain't gonna be as bad as having a kid, okay? It ain't gonna be bad as giving birth. So I'm pretty sure I can handle it. I stick a chest out. Stick a chest out. Take it like a man. Is y'all ready? Because I'm not. Is y'all ready? Because no. No. I'm a hairy animal, baby. Yeah. So this is a DIY wax, as I said earlier. I made this wax like a few days ago or whatever like that. We got our wax here. Yo, there's still some lemon seeds, like. So this wax right here has sugar, lemon, and water. Sugar, lemon, and water. Super easy to make, super easy. I will link the video in the description box down below. She has other videos on like how to wax and things like that, so you guys make sure you guys check out the video before you guys try this at home. Oh, okay, I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. So I'm gonna lick it. I'm gonna taste. It just get weirder and weirder, huh? It just this video just get weirder. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's going on? What's going on here? I'm gonna try it. Like, I'm just stalling. Honestly, at this point, I'm just trying to like. Okay. It tastes good. It tastes. It's just lemonade. It's just lemon, water, sugar. It's just lemonade. Very sticky. So I'm going to just use my hands. So I just have a like old t-shirt right here. Yo, this white t-shirt right here is beyond dingy. It got a few stains in here that won't come out. The t-shirt been gone, so I'm just gonna use it as my like wax strip. Which one should I do first? This one has the most hair. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna play it safe, just in case. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna try to do both. Ooh, ooh. I'm already messing up. I was supposed to put freaking cornstarch or like baby powder. Ah, hold on. I was supposed to put cornstarch. Damn it. See what I'm saying? This is why I don't do this. This is why I don't do this, y'all. My hand already sticky, so I'm just gonna pour some cornstarch on that bad boy. Hold on. Yo. Oh. When I put my freaking arm down, it was sticking together. Okay. I am not. This is gonna hurt. We're just gonna slap it on there. Okay. Okay. If you guys try this at home, it says apply in the opposite direction that your hair is growing. Pull in the direction it grows. I don't know. Like, I have a mirror right in front of me. My hair isn't growing. It's so much. It's not growing in any type of direction. I told y'all how to do it correctly. I'm just gonna do what I do. Keeps pulling. When I pull it down, it sticks together. Y'all, I should have took a freaking shot. Like, I should have took a shot before I freaking did this. I'm just gonna like rip a section off. So I got this right here, and it's a pretty good. So I'm just going to like, hold on, let me see. 1, 2, 3. That didn't do anything. Let's try this side. Let's try this side, because that didn't do anything. And let's warm it up. Let's warm it up. Let's warm this bad boy up. So I'm just going, that's what she said. She said, yeah, you gotta do this. I am not ready for this. Y'all. Man, this better work, dude. Like, it's not working though. I made it just like I was supposed to. Working out. Okay. So this is day 2. This is the next day, you guys. My first attempt, I failed. It did not work. I don't know if it was me. I don't know if it was the sugar wax. I don't know if it was the must. Y'all, I don't know why it didn't work, but I went ahead and I made it all over again. So here we go. This is our second batch, and I did the same thing I did the first time, so I don't even know like if this is gonna work, but I'm not giving up. It's crazy how I went from like scared that it was gonna freaking work and to now it's like, please just work, please, because I am not giving up, you guys. I went ahead and made some strips. I used a different material. I used 100% in cotton shirt that I have that I don't even wear anymore. So I made 4 strips right here. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work, and it better freaking work. Okay, so the direction, so I'm gonna apply it. Hold on, I forgot already, hold on. This part, I'm gonna do this first part first. So this seems like it's growing that way. So I'm gonna apply it this way, and I'm gonna rip it going up. Have this little popsicle stick, like a used popsicle, but it's all good though. Like, hopefully that doesn't affect it. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Second time is gonna work. Ready? Y'all ready? Set. It got a few hairs, but it's like, it's not. I'm about to give up and just freaking shave, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Like, it's working. But I don't know if it's my hairs are super long. I'm done. Like, I'm done. I don't know if my hairs are too long. You guys let me know what am I doing wrong. But this is as much as I've gotten. It's really soft, you guys. Like, it's super sticky. It's sticking everywhere. Like, this is just a mess. This is my sugar wax that I attempted to try to wax and it didn't work. I hope you guys still like this video. Please like it, please like it, please. Your girl's still hairy. Let me know like what I did wrong, you guys. Like, I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and just drink this lemonade. I'm just gonna pour some water in there, warm it up a little bit, let it dissolve, and just drink lemonade with this. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you guys actually want to see me shave my armpits, I'll leave that video in the link in the description box down below. Where's the pain? I need pain. Finally want pain. Don't get any pain. Okay, your girl is I'm gonna go ahead and cry. Go ahead and go cry, you know? I'm gonna cry by my lonesome. So yeah, the girl is out. Bye.